Hey everyone, welcome to this video. If you want to know how to save TikTok drafts to gallery without posting, then this video is for you. In today's video, I will show you how to do that. So first of all, open your TikTok app and just tap on this profile icon here. Now just tap on this draft option to open your draft. And from all of this list, just open one, which one you want to save in your gallery. Let's say I want to save this one. Now from this down arrow button, you can see there is an option. Just tap on that and scroll down, and here is the option for save. So just tap on this. It will take a few moments. Okay, so it's saved to our gallery. Now just open your gallery from your phone, and you can see the video is downloaded from TikTok. So basically this is how you can easily save your draft video from TikTok. If you think this video was helpful, please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.